Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn a subtractive helix feature in FreeCAD. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here. If you like my method of teaching, then please support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I will provide my website and my Ko-Fi donation page link in a video descriptions. So let's come back to our tutorial. If we see this image, so subtractive helix tool modify a solid by sweeping a selected sketch or 2D object along the helix path, cutting away the material. So if I create a new file, then here is a tool known as additive helix, and this one is known as a subtractive helix. When we use the tool additive helix, then it adds the material, and the subtractive helix removes the material. Additive helix is used to create a spring type of a material, spring type of a body which having the pitch and height, and similarly subtractive helix, both are the similar tool. The only difference is that one is used for adding of material and other is subtraction. So let's do a simple exercise to understand the subtractive helix feature in FreeCAD. So first I will create a body, and if we go to the image, then we can easily see here this is the profile. B is cutting along the provided data here, pitch and height, to remove the material. So let's come to our body, and I will on the origin plane, and I will select a top plane and create a sketch, and here I will create a circle, and I will give it a diameter of 100 mm, and I close it. I will off the origin plane, select my sketch and click on the pad, and pad I will give the 100 mm height, or let's give 150. Now we will create a profile and use this subtractive helix feature. So for this, we again on the origin plane, and we will select this exact plane and create a sketch. Then we off the plane, and we will change model transparency to the wireframe, and now I will create a circle, and I will project this outer edge, and I will add the vertical relation, and I select these 2 points and add the vertical dimensions. Let's see 15 mm, and I will give this diameter 10 mm. I move my dimensions. Now I will switch to the flat lines, and I will come out of the sketch. Now we have this circle. Now we will remove the material in the form of helix. So I will select my sketch and click on this subtractive helix. So it is processing. So you can see that here we have the pitch of 15 mm, height is 46.7. so we will keep as it is and click on the OK. So it is a processing, so it is processed. Now we will press the space bar and hide this pad. Now you can see that a material is removed along the helix like this. And now let's we change the value. Click on the edit helix, and here on height, let's we make a height of 100 mm, and pitch, let's change the pitch as well. let's make a pitch of 20 mm, sorry, let's make pitch of 12 mm and click on OK. So it is processing. So it got processed. We will press the space bar and hide this pad, so you can see that how the material removed, and we can modify our helix again if you want. So this is how you can use the subtractive helix features, and this feature is used to create a thread profile if you are creating external thread on any shaft. So this feature is very useful. So this is all about this tutorial, how to use the subtractive helix in FreeCAD. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.